You know those stocks that I give you on monthly basis to trade and tell you that on those exact date, those penny stocks, I tell you on that exact date they will spike in value. So what I want to do today is I want to actually review those penny stocks, and I want to give you some value content. I want to spit some truth in this video. So the penny stocks I told you that will spike in value, I told you on that exact date they will spike in value. Why? Because we only trade pharmaceutical penny stocks, and these penny stocks have to get FDA approved, or they have to get some kind of results out there, a test to show investors that, hey, this product, this drug that we said we're going to develop has actually started working. So we're almost ready, right? So they have to release an article. And on these dates that I give you, they release these articles. But it's not that easy. You have to know when to get in, when to get out, and how to analyze, right? So let me show you. So maybe I'll take this from here and we go to here next to the apples. Here we have pharmaceutical penny stocks, right? This one spiked by 30% today. This is the 5th of June, and I told you 5th of June we'll have these stocks spiking. And here's another one, 5th of June, right? Also spiked by 6%. And this one, well, this one is down actually. So this is the other side of the trend. This is where you come out and say, hey, we're negative results. We didn't get FDA approved. But this one, VSTM, up just like this, right? On the day I told you it will spike, it spiked. Why? Ahead of strong FDA catalyst, right? Because these stocks have to undergo results and whatnot. And the results is what will spike the stock higher. If you're new to this video or to this channel, go watch the rest of the penny stock video. And this one here is similar, right? You can see it's been spiking, but there's a reason behind that. And what's the reason? We'll find out in a minute. There has to be something here that says that they came out with approval. But I've already went through this and how to find these things in one of my videos, or a few videos actually. But this is because of approval and whatnot. And at the moment, my students, you know, they're on the Hangout group talking to me, but I'm doing this video for you guys. So it's important to know when to get in and when to get out. So some of my guys would have got out here. Others would have held on and, you know, sold here at a loss. If they had bought pre-market or after the market opened, they would have sold at a loss, right? That's why you need to learn, and this is why the course is there for you guys. So I'll have a link in the description, but this is really, you know, these are the stocks that I've kind of wanted to review. There's other stocks like I've explained to you, and these other stocks didn't really spike in value, like PLX here is spiking, and that was due to positive result. Now, one of the guys, I told him not to. He had invested in this. He would have been profitable, but I told him to sell, and he would have been 10% up right now. But I told him to sell because I don't want him to risk it. I don't want him to kind of gamble and have, you know, a position in here. And now some of you will be saying, you know, this is a boat missed. But if this was the opposite way, he would have been down 10%, right? So this is why it's good to day trade, guys. This is another stock I gave you to trade for June. So let's go back. And this is all I wanted to do was review this. So here's the thing, and this is the thing that I'm really worried about with you guys, is that you listen to these videos that I release, yet you're not really listening. When I tell you not to hold a stock, and I know some of you are holding penny stocks, when I tell you not to hold the penny stocks and only day trade them on the exact date, you still want to gamble and go ahead and gamble and, you know, say, oh, but I have a strong feeling that it's going to release positive results or it's going to get FDA approved. How do you know? Do you have insider information? You'll only do these things if you had insider information, like your dad is a doctor, you know, he's performing the operation, like, you know, the drugs, the tests, or your mother is the analyst to administrate, whatever, right? If you don't have insider information, then don't even bother investing and holding and saying, oh, tomorrow I'm going to see whether I've made the right decision or not. Well, this is a business. This isn't a gambling. If we want to gamble, we play a roulette, you know, it's just like 50-50. That's exactly what you're doing. It's 50-50. I don't want 50-50. I want to get in pre-market and get out quickly on the same day, or get in and get out. If you want to hold, then make sure you hold at least 5 to 10 penny stocks at the same time, right? And swing trade them.
Because when something's not working, something else is always working. Some of you don't understand how to analyze. Like I said, there is a course for you. There is a private mentorship where I teach you, and you'll be, you know, in a group chat with other guys who are just like you, subscribers, and then turned into students for life. For me, you're going to be here 3 months. I'm going to test you on all these things because I still see people commenting saying, when should I sell this stock? I bought it two weeks ago. When have I ever said buy this penny stock and hold it? I've never said buy a penny stock and hold it. Why? Because penny stocks, 50% of them will fail. Just like you've seen, only 50% spiked. The rest fell, the rest dropped down. But we can make money either way, even if it fails or not. We can make money, shorten that penny stocks and profit, just like we were buying. So, I'll leave a link for that course. This is the last month, guys. You let me know if you want. You know, I showed you that it's easier to make money with penny stocks using my strategy, but it's not that easy. You have to put in the work. You have to. Don't be eager, first of all. A lot of you are eager, and that is a problem. You're too eager to buy that penny stock, and you're just too eager to make money. Why? The stock market will always be there. This strategy that I've showed you, this strategy they used this in the 80s. It's not going to change. I know you think, oh, if I don't get it now, I'll never make $1 million because this is going to change. No, this won't change. They used this in the 80s, right? And when you've heard of someone saying, oh, this guy has insider information, what are they talking about? They're talking about this. They have insider information that, hey, this is going to get FDA approved. But before they release it to the public, these guys actually invest, right? Because they have insider information. So you want to make it? Get in contact with somebody who's doing these FDA reviews and just have some connections with them and ask them questions. And yeah, I guess you'll get the insider information and you'll be the Wolf of Wall Street, I guess. So I'll see you again, just like always. There's a link in the description, but these are the stock that I gave you. I'm really, like you see, my penny stock game these days, you know, with videos isn't much, but I'll try post on this channel about penny stocks at least once a week or so. But I want to go on a bigger scale for you guys, you know, and I want to motivate you further. But if you do want this course, you know, this is not really a course where just anybody can sign up. No, you have to have basic understandings and really hard work. And some of you guys who are already signed up, I need you guys to communicate more on the Hangout group, because you know, you want to introduce yourself, because after I'm gone, this Hangout group is going to be, you know, your class where you'll be day trading together, and you can share thoughts there, share stocks, share penny stocks also after I've finished with you guys. So anyway, I'll see you again, just like always.